Interior doors serve many purposes: security, privacy, buffering noise, but also it can set the tone and enhance the room's aesthetics. It should never be taken lightly when designing interiors. With this effect in mind, try to consider every factor when choosing a door, including color, material, style, and swinging motion. Dimensions are also important, but tend to be standard as they are limited by the size of the door frame. They usually do not exceed 203 centimeters in height and range from 70 to 90 centimeters in width. With an emphasis on sleek shapes and clean lines, today's interior doors are often made of glass or metal panels that slide open horizontally rather than vertical like traditional ones do. They are designed to open onto rooms with an interesting view that makes them stand out from others nearby. They provide visual interest from inside without sacrificing privacy through frosted glass or opaque patterns made up of geometric shapes. A large door can be a beautiful thing. It says welcome. Come on in and make yourself at home. That's why many modern homes opt for oversized interior doors, which can be very functional compared to smaller, narrower alternatives. They provide larger access points that can be useful for entertaining and for moving furnishings. When opened, this bigger space promotes an open, airy feeling that can be very appealing to modern designs, where spaciousness is highly appreciated. At the same time, this also implies greater exposure to natural light and a better visual and physical connection between spaces. If you have an oversized opening in your home, this is your chance to highlight this area with a custom-sized door. When you're building or renovating, you will want to make sure that every part of your house is what you want, and that includes your doors. Your doors should be perfect size for your space, so if you're working with a large opening in your home, there are plenty of options available. You can choose between wood, glass, or fiberglass with steel frames and various finishes to match any style or budget. Apart from their material properties, oversized doors can be classified into four main groups according to their type of opening motion: pivot, sliding, single-hinged, and double. They all have their own pros and cons. Quality of the product makes great difference when it comes to doors, especially oversized ones.